Okay, good day everyone. So, this is the psychological theory, how I relate the psychological theory to my life story. So, I'm your classmate in Ed 215. I'm Mariano Junior A Santa Ana. So, I'm 25 years old. So, ang akong i-present karon ng mga stages, for this theory. Nakakutob ra pod sa akong edad nga 25 years old. So magsugod ko sa trust versus mistrust era. So this is during my infancy, 0 to 1 years old. In this stage, infants learn to trust their caregivers and the world around them. Now my reflection is reflecting on my infancy. I consider how my caregivers nurtured me and provided a sense of security, laying the foundation for trust and relationships in the environment. So during a stage, during that time na uh, at this stage of my life, I assure that I were able to adapt, and able to trust the people around me, especially my mother, who is always beside me during this moments, of my life, early moments of my life. So she has provided me everything I need, the love and care, especially the food, the milk that I really need during this time of my life. And second is the autonomy versus shame and doubt. This is during my early childhood when I was 1 to 3 years old. So I recall moments from my early childhood when I started to explore my environment, make choices, and assert my will. How did my caregivers respond to my attempts of independence? Did I feel supported or criticized? So I were able to develop the independence, autonomy. So during this stage, this is the time na mag-practice tag lakaw, mag-practice tag kaon ug mga hard food, And with this, my parents, my mother, give me a lot of opportunities to explore, especially kay I live in kanang hinterland bitaw, kanang bukid-bukid nga area. So I were able to explore kanang pinubre nga style sa panginabuhi, and I'm proud of it na I were able to develop the autonomy. No, I am not shameful, I am not doubtful of myself, but I am confident. I was supported by my mother nga dapat ingon ani, diri ka dapat mo anhi kung mo CR ka, kani imong gamiton kung mukaon ka, diri imong tuplokon kung mulantaw kag TV in others. So that was during my early childhood years, kanibitang 1 to 3 years old. This is very curious, kung unsa atong makita, it's either kanon na to ikapon or ilabay. So naago na dra. And let's move on to the next stage, kaning initiative versus guilt. So this is during my preschool years, before school. Okay, sa una, wa man kindergarten, diktara grade 1. As far as I remember, diktara gyud ko grade 1. So this is when children begin to take initiative in activities and play, developing a sense of purpose. Now I think about my preschool years and the activities I engage in. How did I approach new challenges and take initiative? Did I feel encouraged to explore and express myself, or did I experience guilt or wanting to take the lead? During this time, I was able to develop ang ilang ginatawag ng initiative. Okay. So during my early childhood days, early preschool days, 3 to 6 years old, I am very curious person, very curious ko nga pagabata. Na ako'y kuan kanang huna-huna nga mo explore ko unsan nganong inguna nini, nganong inguna up to the point nga mapsikog kapiang, akong agtang dako kay kisi, this is during my preschool years, nadagma ko. And kung atong hunahunaon, ang panit sa bata is very fragile, madali kayo na siya makisi. So this is during my preschool years na kisi akong agtang because I am very kanang ganahan ko magdula, no, ganahan ko nga mubuhat sa mga butang nga ganahan ako because I was supported na my parents want me to explore. Wala ko ginaingnan nga ayaw nagbuhata, dapat ingon ani. Okay, kay if sige maguna to kasaba ng bata as far as I know. Okay, I'm going to share this to you, sir, and to my classmates who wants to watch also this video of mine. Actually ako wala jud ko kasulay for post wala pod ko kasulay og kanang siguro nakasulay kog verbal nga kasaba, but if we say post kanang bunal sa term sa uban, awa agud ko kasulay na honestly speaking. So I am very proud of my parents that they were able to raise a child like me nga very kana bitaw bisag wala kayo na disiplina, but then grow better, grow a good person, you know. Let's go back to this stage of my life. So mo to siya akong ginaingon nga ginapadula ako sa akong ginikanan, ginapasagdaan ko kung sa akong ganahan, no, hands-on activities, no, adto sa baol usahay mo tabang-tabang ang mga ginagmayng trabaho sa baol. That was during this time, no, nga nakadto na kog baol, di ko mahadlok kanang dapawan og tubo, sumok-sumok manguhag mga unsay makuha sa ilalom sa katuban. That was during this time. Next is kaning industry versus inferiority. This is during the kanang age 6 to 7 years old. Now children develop a sense of competing through mastering new skills and tasks. So diri ni kaning mga early kanang natas sisugod na tag-eskwela sa elementary. So during my elementary, as far as I remember, di man pud kay ko, di man ko bright nga pagkabata, di pud kay ko bugo. So I am proud that during my elementary days, na I'm proud to share na I were able to give my best, and with that mura ko useful, no. I am industrious, no, na use na ko what is hidden inside me or what are my talents, nagamit na ko na. Though di magin malikayan siguro ning sometimes we feel inferior sa atong mga classmate, kinaamong gud mga classmate nga maayo gyud sila, bright, basta very competitive, no. Though naagin na siya nga stage, but then naagin na siya nga mga area dra, but then I see, no, I guess, no, it's 70 to 80% na I were able to use my talents, no, my skills inside of me during this elementary days. Kaya kaning 6 to 11, this is elementary man gini, mura grade 1 to grade 5 or grade 6 ana, murag naag nang maidara. So that was my life, no. Next will be the intimacy versus isolation, no. Karon na ni siya. So sometimes young adults seeks to intimate relationships and develop a sense of connection with others. Now reflecting on my early adulthood, no, karon early adulthood naman karon, I contemplate my experience in forming intimate relationships and establishing connections with others. Did I successfully cultivate meaningful relationships? Yes. Or did I experience feelings of isolation, loneliness? Actually, currently I am a teacher 1 of the Department of Education. So I am proud to say that I was able to establish connections with my colleagues, no, katrabaho sa school, katrabaho sa district, katrabaho sa division office. I were able to develop kanang connections with my kanang mga bata, no. And I am very proud to say that I were able to develop intimacy, no, during this stage of mine, no, pagkakaroon. And that's it, and thank you so much for listening. Maura na siya kay I'm still 25 years old, so murag di na siguro ko move atong kuan, kay murag di man ko maka-share about my life ato kay katong 40 above, kay di pa mo ko 40 above. So thank you, sir Domric, the rest of my classmates in Ed 215. God bless everyone. Good day.